Hi, Dr. Simal Soin here from Aayna Clinics today. Let's talk a little bit about skin types: oily skin, dry skin. In between, there is the T-zone with the dry skin. So, as you're younger, you typically have oily skin, and as you get older, the skin becomes more dry. So, when you're younger, if you have dry skin, then you would have a tendency, as when you were growing up, to have eczema. So how do you know you have oily skin? If after washing your face there tends to be, it becomes shiny, or you feel there's oil on your skin, then you have excessive sebum secretion happening, which is what essentially causes oiliness of the skin, which blocks the pores and causes acne issues. So that needs to be addressed. So I'm going to recommend a few good products which I typically would write in my prescriptions for clients and patients with oily skin, depending on your budget. And that would be a face wash, a moisturizer, and here's another thing to remind you: everybody, whether they have oily or dry skin, needs a moisturizer. So I will give you recommendations for a cleanser, a face wash, a sunscreen which is suitable for your oily skin, then moisturizer for your oily skin, and other products which you could use just to make sure that your skin does not get too oily, so you're not prone to acne and whiteheads, blackheads, and comedones, and those then do need removal. So then we'll talk about dry skin. Now for dry skin, how do you know you have dry skin? You will know it's flaky, it's stretchy after you wash your face. You'll feel a little uncomfortable. You'll feel like moisturizing your skin all the time. So as you get older, the reason skins become drier is because the skin tends to hold less water. So it's important to keep your skin moisturized, especially at night when you go to bed, because you need to then let the moisture seep into the layers of the skin. And that holds true not for the face, also for the body. So one of the reasons skins can also get drier as you get older is if you have too much sauna, steam. All of these will dry the skin out a lot more. And even hot water baths. So try and keep your baths lukewarm if you have dry skin. Going to give you some good recommendations for cleansers depending on your budgets, and good moisturizers and sunscreens which are suitable for dry skin. And also just to tell you that while it's a, you might think of it as a pretty basic thing to be able to decide on your own face wash, your own moisturizer, it is nice for you to be able to get recommendations from a doctor, from a dermatologist. If you can't do that, come to a clinic. If you're in a place where you don't have access to a dermatologist, come meet us online. We are online on clinically.com and there for you right from 10 in the morning to 8 in the night to address your concerns on a video consult with some of the best dermatologists across the country. See you soon.